today then. Sure you are.
So you're saying it's better to feed the baby sitting up than lying down?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Do you like to drink Coke this way or this way?
So people always lay babies down and feed them. Do you do it the wrong way?
Right for the camera. Good one.
So